Hi class! Today for e-learning I want you guys to practice some subtraction because that's what we've been working on when we are at school. So first, we're going to do a few problems together. You can take a second to pause this video and go get yourself a piece of paper and a pencil or something to write with so you can solve them with me. So pause this video now and go get that and come back. Okay. Now that you have a piece of paper and you have a pencil or something to write with, we're going to do a few subtraction problems together. I'm going to write one up on the board and I want you to write it on your piece of paper too. The first one we're going to do is 12 minus 5 equals, so write this on your paper too. Now, since you're at home, you can choose how you want to solve this. You can draw on your piece of paper, you can use pictures. If you have something that you could use like counters, you could use anything at your house, or you can try to do other strategies that we've been learning. So today for this one, I'm going to show you how we can draw pictures on our paper to help us solve 12 minus 5. I'm going to first start by drawing 12 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, since I am subtracting, am I putting more circles on my page or am I taking some away? I am taking them away because I am subtracting. So, you can just draw an X on your circles. Now, how many circles are we going to X out? We are going to X out 5 circles. So do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to solve, I'm going to find out how many are left. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 12 minus 5 is 7. Very good. Let's do one more together. Next, let's do 16 minus 10. So we can do the same thing. We can choose to draw pictures. We can use counters if that's something that we have at home, or we can think about it in other ways. I'm going to draw 16 in some 10 frames because I noticed that we're subtracting by 10, so I'm wondering if that will be useful. So when you draw a 10 frame, you just need to make sure there are 10 boxes. Now I'm going to need 2 of them because 16 is bigger than 2, or is bigger than 10. So I'm going to draw another one. Now, when I fill in 10 frames, make sure you start with the top one and fill in the top and continue on as you go. I filled in one 10 frame, so I know I have how many? 10. So let's count on from 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now I have 16. Now, when I subtract, we know we have to start by taking away from the 10 frame that is partially full. This one is all the way full, this one is partially full. So I'm going to start taking them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So then I can count how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another way you can think about this, and some of you might have already thought about it, is if you see that I have 10 frames and I'm taking away 10, you might not even have to X them out because you might know the answer. You might say, if I'm taking away 10, I'm taking away this entire 10 frame, so I can just pretend that one's not there, and then I can just count how many are left in my second 10 frame. Now, what I want you to do on the next slide is solve those subtraction problems. Again, you can use your paper and pencil and draw pictures. You can think about it whichever way you want. Some of them you might know, some of them you might be able to use your fingers. I want you to solve those subtraction problems. Good luck!